Okay, hi everybody. This is my first tier list video, and so I know I haven't posted in a while, so I'm gonna go to my mains, to my least mains or whatever. So let's just hop to it. Oh yeah, guys, this is Roy Koopa. I think I might be done with all my mains, but alright, yes I am. So yeah, these are all my mains. Alright, now I'm gonna do like my secondary mains or something. Like the mains that wait. Okay, there we go. Alright, so wait. This is crumbling. Okay, so now so I'm not sure what to say, so I'll go to people I'm not sure if people that I'm not going to name. Sorry this offends anybody, but I just don't want to name them. I mean, you're the same as Peach, so I'll put you on C tier. You guys will find out what C tier is later. No, yeah, keep them there. So let's look. Like I said, I'm sorry this offends anybody. I just don't want to main them. Okay. Just gotta check if it's still recording. Yeah, I'm not gonna main any of the Belmonts. Not Pit. Or I'm not gonna main any of the Kid Icarus characters. Min. I'll put her on C tier. It tells us everything on that screen. Shulk. Look. What? Okay. Yeah, Palutena is part of Kid Icarus. Meat Gunner. Now, I don't know why they did Sans and Meat Gunner differently, but where is Sans? Sorry, I'm just not a big fan of Undertale. Alright, now we're on to D. Alright, we're gonna skip D tier for now and go to C tier. Those are like the C tier where Daisy and Min is. They're like the maybe spot, yeah. Oh wait, Gabriel's my main, yeah. Donkey Kong. Yeah, he's a maybe. Fox and Falco, I won't main them. Bale, yeah, I'm not gonna main her either. Hero though, yeah, that's a my main. I'm just gonna put all the heroes there. Oh yeah, and Terry. Oh yeah, Joker. Couple of items over here. Oh, that's ice creams. All these other heroes in here. Right. I'm not gonna main Ganondorf either. Little Mac. This is tight. I'm not sure to put Little Mac Yeah, I'm not gonna main Mac. Kirby on the other hand, yeah, I do like him. No, I'm just gonna put him in S tier just because it's Kirby. Jigglypuff is a maybe. Link, but I already put Toon Link and Yellow Link down there. So do I want to put Link over there? He'll be a maybe. Meta Knight, maybe. Mewtwo too. Yeah, I'm not gonna main Sword Fighter. Piranha Plant. Okay, let's be a D tier. Who still can't believe Piranha Plant got in Smash before Waluigi? Guys, I'm sorry, but I actually do not want Waluigi in Smash. What's this? Oh, that just make it like a dark. Byleth. I mean, I wasn't happy because it was another Fire Emblem rep, but Byleth is still a maybe because I like their playstyle. I don't like the other arms side of, not arms. What's it called? Fire Emblem. Yeah. Inkling. That'll be a C. Yeah. Greninja. Yeah. Ice Climbers. Yeah, I'm not gonna main those people. Samus, no. Sheep. Snake might be a maybe. Boy, no. Ryu, no. Rob and the Robins, no. Rosalina, no. And not Game Watch is a maybe. Lucina, no. Marth, no. Neither do you, Luigi. Mega Man, no. Not you either, Nas. I hate when you spam PK Fire. Not you, P2. Dang. I'm not sure. I mean, I might name Villager and some other people in there. But, I'm mostly not going to. Yeah, most of the roster is taken from E tier. Some of the spots won't even be filled. Like, I can delete this and B tier. Falcon! I'm not gonna name him. Neither for Kron, Dark Samus. This is for the edgy people. Dark Samus. Dr. Mario. Duck Hunt, maybe. Icono. Cinnamon, yeah, maybe. Isabel, no. Ken, no. Who still remembers when the Isabels roamed during the online? DDD. Can't imagine that. Lucario is a maybe. I'll get rid of this. I don't need A tier. Now Lucas is the last one. Do I want Lucas? He a maybe. I said he's a maybe. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave a comment down below if you want me to make more tiers for you, and also comment what tier this video I can do for y'all. So yeah, also not to offend anybody, but this is just my opinion. Okay, bye guys. Stay safe.